This is Ken with the Gutter Boys, and I am with my man, Eric Walker. We are gonna make a video basically telling you how to clean gutters start to finish. So enjoy the video and hopefully you learn something. Hi, is this Diane? Yeah, this is Eric with the Gutter Boys. We're just giving you a call. Wanted to let you know we're gonna be coming by probably about 15 or 20 minutes to get the gutter cleaned done for you. Yeah, thanks. Oh, hi.
Hi, my name's Eric here with the Gutter Boys. We're gonna get the gutters all cleaned out for you, and then we're gonna run water down the downspouts and get it all flushed out, make sure everything's running, and then we'll knock when we're done and let you know.
Sounds great. Thanks so much.
For sure. Pitch gauge here that will tell you how steep the roof is. I'm just gonna set it on the shingles and it'll show you here. We're looking at about a 5, almost a 6 pitch on the roof. Anything that is 9/12 or less If you're up on the roof, you need to be harnessed and tied in. If it's over a 9, we do not walk those roofs at all. It's against company policy. Just pull up on this latch like that, and then you can adjust the rope to give yourself enough slack to walk up to the seat. Downspout here that we couldn't get out with water, so we're just going to take the snake, we're going to shove it down there and clear out the downspout like that. So we still got a clog in there that we couldn't get out even with the snake, so we're going to have to take the downspout apart and clean it out manually. Take a screw out right there. Make sure you put these somewhere where you're not going to lose them. They like to roll away. Back in there. We're going to take some pictures of the gutters so that we have proof that everything was cleaned out properly. You want to make sure you got your hose in the shot so you can prove that you flushed everything out. And while it may be tempting to clean out the gutters with a leaf blower, that is strictly forbidden to do that. It just makes too much of a mess. And we don't want to have to take time to clean that up afterwards. And then we're just going to make sure we turn the water off when we're done with it. And we're going to go around and blow off, clean off the property, make sure everything's looking good. All the gutters cleaned out. We may have used the leaf blower to blow out the valleys on the roof so there's no debris up on the roof. And then we're just going to go around on the ground and tidy up, blow off especially the walkways and patios, and just make sure everything's looking good. Every now and then you'll get a gutter that's starting to pull away from the fascia board. We can put some hangers in there, give it a little gutter tune-up. What you're going to do, take these hangers, all you do, the clips in the front of the gutter right there, and slide it underneath of the shingles like so. And it hooks over the back lip of the gutter there. Pop it in, then you just take your drill and screw it down nice and snug. Beautiful. So unfortunately, if you do make a mess on the siding or the house or anything, it can result in a deduction from the pay. So a lot of times you'll have uneven terrain around the house, and in those instances you can use the ground leveler to make sure your ladder is on a level and stable surface. Set it on there, and you can adjust it accordingly until the ladder is level. I get a video of doing that on like the Colorado.
Yep.
Since that the trucks are going to be using.
Yep.
Always check the straps, make sure there's no big frays or tears in them. Alright, so we got all the information on the invoice filled out. Make sure you have the price for the gutter clean, the price for any repairs, add everything up together, any notes you might have on there. And then after we got that filled out, we're going to go ahead and send in our pictures and get that taken care of right away. Alright, everything's cleared out now. We had one downspout in the back that was clogged, but we got that taken apart and cleared everything out for you, so you should be all set. And then we added one hanger as well, just to tighten up the gutter. It was starting to pull away.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
All right. Have a
You
great
have a
one.
great evening.